So I've just unboxed the Ninja Possible Cooker Pro, and there's not a whole lot to it. That doesn't mean that I don't expect a lot out of it. As you can see, it's got a lot of different functions, but basically out of the box you've got the lid. It comes with this little spoon here. It comes with a recipe book that has a few recipes in it, but there's more that you can get through the app. And as you can see, it says that it replaces 14 cooking appliances. The thing I really like about it is you can go straight from the cooker to the oven if you wanted to brown a casserole or something like that. It is an 8.5 quart, which is very big. There is a smaller version, I think, that is 6.5, but I do a lot of food prep, so the 8.5 quart is how I chose to go with the Ninja Possible Cooker. So the technology behind it is it claims that it does 30% faster than a conventional oven because of the way that the heat is distributed throughout the pot. And you can see there on the functions, you have slow cook, sear, saute, steam, keep warm, sous vide, braise, bake, and proof. So I kind of look at it as a slow cooker on steroids. So instead of just going from the hip on something, I'm actually going to use this coconut braised chicken thighs. I'm just going to use that as a guide. I'm going to do it more like a curry, but I'm going to give this a try just to see how the Ninja operates. But then, of course, as you know, I will be creating new dishes, so like and subscribe now if you'd like to see more recipes and inspiration from the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker Pro.